What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So this is my newborn baby Clarice. She was born a few days ago. I also make a vlogs of her in the hospital. So right now, without further ado, let's roll in the intro video. So this is the baby Clarice room, and we have prepared all this stuff for our newborn baby. So this is a 3-in-1 rocker napper, a couch for us to rest, and a storage rack for all the baby stuff, and a baby cot for the baby to sleep, and all the baby stuff and clothes are being stored in the cabinet. So today I'm going to clean up the room once again before the baby is born. So right now the room is clean, and we have also prepared this hospital bag just in case if we need to rush to the hospital. At least we are well prepared. So we have just arrived at the delivery suite, and wife is doing the administrative work now. So right now we are heading to the ward. Hello Clarice, hopefully I'm able to see you in a few hours time. So the nurse has just placed the heartbeat reader on the tummy. So this is the heartbeat reader. Wife is enjoying her lunch now. The food looks pretty plain, but it tastes really good. This is a Class E ward, and it looks pretty much like a hotel room. So there's a couch, a bed, writing desk, and a TV. There's pretty much everything in this room. There's a clothes hanger, extra clothes, towel, blankets, toiletries, and a hairdryer. So for toiletries, there's a shower gel, shampoo, toothbrush, toothpaste, and a comb. And there's an extra pillowcase for me. So tonight I'll be sleeping on this couch. So next will be the toilet. Wife is having some contraction pain. So today is the second day of the delivery and baby still doesn't want to come out. So last night my wife is experiencing some pain in her tummy, so requested to proceed down to the delivery suite. And until now she's only dilated for about 6 cm. So last night we had spent our night at the delivery suite, and right now I'm going to get myself washed up. Alright guys, so I'm done with the wash up. So right now I'm heading back to the delivery suite and hopefully there will be some good news. So right now baby Clary is born. So baby Clary's weights at 3.118 kg. So right now she's asleep and the doctor said everything is fine and the health condition is good. So mother and baby are able to discharge tomorrow. So right now it's 7 p.m. and Clarice is having her dinner for breastfeeding, and this is our dinner. So we have a spaghetti, drinks, desserts, and broccoli, and also a soup. So this is our dinner. Right, so today is the third day. So my wife just finished her lunch and baby just finished her meal and she's sleeping right now. And I'm still editing this video, so hopefully I'm able to done the video within these 2 hours. Mom and baby will be getting discharged today. Hi baby Clarice, say hello to everyone. Say hello to everyone. Alright guys, so baby Clarice and my wife is back home, and my wife is having a confinement, so she'll be taking a good rest for a month. So during this period I'll be taking care of baby Clarice, so I'll be feeding her, bathing her, and changing diapers for her. So I hope she will continue to stay healthy and stay cute forever. Alright guys, so that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Do remember to like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.